Hey there, I'm Tyler with Texas Sportfishing. Right now, I'm on our brand new 2026 Tidewater 302 center console adventure. The 302 is a 10-foot 8 beam, plenty wide, lots of room to walk around. It's a 30-foot center line. It's a step hull boat, so you can get a better fuel economy, a quicker ride out of your boat. This boat we equipped with twin 350 Yamahas. That's max horsepower. That's the upgrade from the standard dual 300 horsepower engines. Lots of features back here. Dual dive doors, dual aquarium live wells, tons of bilge access. People asked for it. They finally delivered. They said, we're doing it. There's pumps, bilge pumps, live well pumps, float switches, filters, all that. Big guys can get in there. They can fix it. They can change it. You're not hanging upside down anymore. Easy up, easy down. Rear flip down seat. At the leading post, we have the faux granite countertop, the quad mat cup holder, rod holder series combos here. We have the aquarium live well. Also dual in-floor fish boxes. This boat we did add the bow and aft sunshades. Standard Razor Lumitech light bars. It's a great option. They knocked it out of the park with these light bars. They're great, they're long lasting, they're bright, they're standard on this boat. The 302 is equipped with standard, the Super Deluxe, dual flip down bolster, dual armrests, middle cup holder, leaning post. On this boat, we maxed out with the 8616 Garmin XSV MFD GPS map screens. We upgraded to the Yamaha Helm Master with autopilot. We upgraded to the Garmin 215 AIS VHF setup. Tidewater has their all new acrylic radio box up here. They went away from the mirror. The mirror faded over time. This is sturdy. This is drier. This is better for your electronics. This boat also has the Seakeeper Ride trim tabs. Not have to worry about trimming your boat out anymore. It does it for you. It's a great option. It's standard on this boat. Another nice feature on a hot day, the T-top shower. It's standard. It runs off your freshwater system. You hit the button, spraying down on your feet, spraying down on your head, wherever you want it. Coming around up front, we have the standard coffin box, fully insulated, fully macerated, and it's comfortable. The kids, the wives, everyone loves it. Dual armrest, cup holder in the middle is a great option on this boat. It's a standard option on this boat. They knocked it out of the park. You also have your high-low electric bow table, your forward seating with faux granite countertops, dual 10-inch JL subwoofers, Lumar windlass anchor. We'll have this boat at the January boat show, the Houston boat show. Same promo as everything else we're doing, new Tidewater. Buy the boat, get a free trailer. It's a great option. You need the trailer, we're giving it to you at the boat show. We're getting some help out from the manufacturer, but we're going to blow them all out of the boat show with the free trailer. It's going to be awesome. You're going to love this boat. Come check us out. We'll see you soon.